Well, hello, like Rumors, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the photos like this to be this. Okay, before we go tutorial, if you wanna see the preset like this, you can click in the right top corner or you can find it in link description below. Okay, let's go start it. Choose your pictures and then go to the adjustment. And then in adjustment, first time you have to select the light. And then go to the curve. Watch this carefully. Okay guys, have done, and then go to the exposure. Alright, in adjustment have done, and then scroll down and go to color. And then watch this carefully. Okay, and then go to the color mix, and then we start from pink, and then watch this carefully. Okay guys, in color mix we have done, and then scroll down, we can find it effects. Okay, in this effect we start from effect color. Scroll down. Alright, you have to watch this carefully. Let's go start it. Okay, in the color effects, just like this, we just set the highlight and balance and shadow, let this 0. Okay, scroll up. We set this and watch this carefully. Okay, we almost done, and then scroll down, set in the tile, and watch this. Well, okay guys, we have done, and then we have to set. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, let's copy these settings and then we try in another photos. Boom. This preset I was give you for free, and you can download and find link in the description. So before we close this video, if you like this video, you can click the like and share this tutorial for your another friends, and then don't forget to click subscribe for the next tutorial and the next preset. Remember, this preset is not compatible for the another photos. If you use the another photos, you have to setting that again. Okay, remember that. See you in the next videos and bye.